Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Day One Dev. And there was one of my friend asked me how to get an extra 30 minutes for Amazon certifications. When you're taking a certification, general standard time plus 30 minutes, you get it. So if you see here, log into your AWS training certification URL, then once successfully you log in, go to my profile and click on settings and make sure that you do not select language English. If you have done this already, you cannot edit, unfortunately. This is only one time makes you to do it. So pick some language which is non-English, whatever you prefer, it doesn't matter. Just pick on it and update the information, right? So once you do update, you're good on this part. Now I want you to go to exam registration section and look for accommodations. Okay. So once you get on the accommodations, request for accommodation right now, because this is my brand new account I created, so you don't see this part. So once you are on accommodations, make sure that you select accommodation, drop down where it says ESL plus 30 minutes. Select this and click create. So once you do this, it takes about somewhere between 30 minutes to about a week to get your approval. Then I mean, here it says you will get a pretty quick, but sometimes I have seen for my friends it took almost 2 to 3 days. So that's what I'm not committing for a timeline here, but it takes some time. Once you do it, you'll get back on a later time. So somewhere between 1 to 2 hours, 1 to 30 minutes to a week. Okay. So once you get that and future on any certification you do it, automatically when you're doing it, automatically you get a 30 minutes extra as part of your email, as well as you see that on your when you're OJOS when you're doing that. So, so I hope this will help you for getting an ESL 30 minutes for non-ESL spoken people. But if you know your language primary is English, if you forget, unfortunately, sorry, I can't get this extra 30 minutes for your certification. All right. I hope this tip helps you for taking advantage of an extra 30 minutes. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.